morning, my name is Donna, and today I am going to demonstrate how to make a yarn snowflake that looks like this. I absolutely love crafting in this day and age with the high price of everything. It's so nice to be able to make gifts for people that are affordable and meaningful. Art is essential to the human experience as it allows us to express our imagination and creativity. It provides a means of finding beauty in everything, and it feeds our souls. Art and crafts enables us to tap into our hidden artistic impulses and showcase our talents to the fullest. Without art, life would be devoid of the inspiration and enrichment it offers. So, first, we're going to start with gathering the supplies, which I've already done. You're going to need a 4x6 piece of cardboard. I've already wrapped the yarn around it. You wrap it around 100 times. You'll need 24 pieces of yarn and then one longer piece, a needle, gems, beads, scissors, glue gun, and a skein of yarn. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the long piece of yarn and put it underneath here. And we're going to tie this tight in the middle and knot it. I just love doing this stuff. It's so rewarding to make things for people, you know, especially for gifts, because when you put the time and effort into making something, I think people tend to really appreciate it. I know I do when I receive a gift that someone makes me. Okay, now we're going to pull it off the cardboard. And we are going to cut the yarn in half. Pull it down tight, cut. And you're going to keep out the two long pieces of yarn. And we're going to take the rest of the yarn, we're going to spread it out. Nice and spread out, because we're going to make sections, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make 4 sections on each side. So we're going to have 8 sections in total. 2, 3, 4. Now get them as even as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what you're going to do next, after you have your 8 sections, you're going to take the smaller pieces of yarn. You're going to take the first one, and you're going to tie it around the first bunch. Leave about maybe a quarter of the yarn at the top. And then you're going to knot it. And you're going to go around to each section and do this, okay? We're going to keep tying these sections. Now, the nice thing about these snowflakes is you can make them in any color you want. It's nice to make them in red and green and use different colored gems and pearls on them. But today I'm doing the white snowflake with teal and rhinestones. It's one of my favorites, and I made sure my nails matched. These are my Christmas colors, so you know, you can do this at home alone. You can, you know, invite your friends over and have like a crafting party, which is so much fun. It's something different to do. It's very relaxing and very rewarding. Okay, so I'm about halfway done tying these. You're going to want to knot those. I'm not knotting them at the moment, but you want it to be sturdy and durable. You know, nowadays it's just so expensive to buy gifts. The cost of everything is so high that it makes it nice when you can find something that you know your friends and family will enjoy from you. And it's not costly. You could probably make about at least 15 of these for maybe around $30, and that's not really so bad. Okay, so what we're gonna do next. Where's the long piece? Okay, there's the long piece. We're gonna take the 8 sections, and each section we are going to divide into 2. And then we're going to do the same thing where we tie each section up towards the top, just leaving a little poof there. So we're going to go around and tie these 16 sections, okay? Okay, now that we have our 16 sections, we're going to take that long piece and have the needle on it. And we're going to put the beads on the needle. Now you can use any kind of beads you want, any amount. I use 6, and I'm using, they're actually like those silver hair beads that you use for braids. They have really great craft stuff, beads, all kinds of beads and gems at Michael's. And you can get a lot of this stuff on Amazon as well. So you're going to want to make, knot this a couple times so the beads don't fall off from, where you just put them. Okay, I'm going to make this knot. Okay, so that's good for now. So then you're going to take, and we're going to cut these 16 sections and make little poofs on the end, like this. Right near where you tied them. So we're going to go around. Cut poofs. Okay. And this is where your snowflake really comes into effect once we have all this excess yarn off of here. Alright. And if you're going to be doing this type of crafting, you might want to invest in a good pair of scissors. It makes life a lot easier. And these were under $20, so. Okay, so now your snowflake is coming into effect. So, we're going to lay it down. Oops, I have an excess piece here. Okay. We're going to plug in the glue gun. It only takes a couple seconds to heat up. And then we're going to put some gems onto this snowflake, okay? And I have a nice teal one, nice big one for the middle. Alright, this glue gun working. Alright, here we go. Alright, and then, let's see. I like to use a couple of these snowflake looking gems. And I just go around the original 8 and put them on there. And then I use plain rhinestones as well. And again, you can use, any kinds of beads or gems that you want on here. Pearls look pretty. It's, whatever your taste is. Don't be afraid to, try different things. Make them different. Like, you might have a friend that likes purple and you might want to make a purple snowflake. The sky is definitely the limit here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel like something's missing. Oh, there. And I like to, like I said, do all 8. That one. And then one more. This is, it's not just relaxing, it's nice and festive. Makes the holidays so much more fun when everything can be so stressful, And here we have our finished ornament. So, we have covered gathering supplies and how to assemble a snowflake ornament. This is such a fun and relaxing craft idea. You can do alone, or again, you can do it with a group of your friends. I find it helps to relieve stress to make craft items like the snowflake ornament, and you might too. In conclusion, art and crafts are powerful tools for self-expression, and it allows us to beautifully shape our innermost thoughts and feelings. Arts and crafts has the ability to bring joy and happiness to everyone. Let us embrace our creativity and let it shine through art and craft. Thank you so much for your attention and have a lovely morning.